Hello everyone, in this video I will compare AnyDesk and Parsec. AnyDesk and Parsec are both remote access tools, but serve slightly different purposes. AnyDesk is a remote desktop software that lets you connect to another computer from anywhere in the world. It's very fast, lightweight, and works smoothly even on slower internet connections. The setup is simple, and you can start using it without much technical knowledge. One of its best features is the high-quality video and sound transition, which makes remote work feel natural. It also allows easy file sharing between devices, which is very helpful. Security is strong, with encryption that keeps your data safe during sessions. Parsec is a remote desktop software mainly designed for gaming and creative work. It is known for its ultra-low latency, which makes games and graphics-heavy apps run very smoothly even from a distance. The setup is simple, and you can easily invite friends or co-workers to connect and share your screen. One of its best features is the high-quality video streaming that feels almost like you're sitting in front of the actual computer. It also works across platforms, so you can use it on Windows, macOS, Android, or even Raspberry Pi. While it's great for speed and performance, it doesn't include extra features like file transfer or advanced ID tools. Overall, AnyDesk is better for professional remote work and IT support, while Parsec is better for gaming and real-time creative collaboration. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.